last period we have seen grooming, organizational grooming, then framing of questions and complete the sentences. Then next topic is dealing with customers in banking environment. Only two topic is there. Then I will complete your portion. Okay, dealing with the customers in banking environment. So here means not dealing with the customer in banking environment, to deal with the general people also we are discussing under this point. So first, when you greet people in person for the first time, okay, when you greet people in person for the first time. So when you meet a person for the first time, what do you have to do? You have to make a positive first impression when meeting a new people. First impression is the best impression. So when you meet a people, so you have to tell your full name, then give your awesome smile, then which one, then what do you have to do? Then direct eye contact, give a good handshake. So through that way, you have to make a positive impression when you meet a people. Okay, that is when you greet a people in person for the first time. What do you have to do? Okay, make a first impression, direct eye contact, then give a handshake. Okay, then smile. Okay, that through that way you have to create a which one first impression. So then you have to know the which one opposite party's name. Then if you talk, so you have to mention the other party's name. Okay, so it is very nice to meet which one, Sharat Anil. So like that you have to create a first impression. Okay, so when you greet people in person for the first time, you have to make a best impression. So next one, what you have to do when you meet a people who don't tell you their name. Okay, so when you meet a people, so you are meeting a people who don't tell you their name. If they are not telling their name, then what you have to do? So in this case, what you have to do? You have to ask. So you have to ask the opposite party's name. Then uh, then you have to talk, then mentioning the name of the other persons. Okay, that is when you meet a people who don't tell your name, if this occurs, ask them for their name. Okay, then after that you have to respond. Okay, then you have to repeat their names when you talk to that person. Okay, that is which one, creating interest in the opposite parties. That is, so first point is that when you meet people, you have to make a good positive impression. Okay, so tell your name, full name, address, then handshake, direct eye contact, then which one, awesome smile you have to do. Okay, so that you have to do. Second one, if when you meet people who don't tell your name, means you have to ask repeatedly, you have to ask their name. So after that you have to respond. Then you have to mention between, you have to mention their name to create interest to the opposite parties. Next one, when someone introduces you and does not include your name. Okay, does not include your name. So in this case, so suppose which one, when in this case, what you have to do when you are introduced to someone? Suppose you are a clerk, otherwise you are an accountant. So if other staffs are introducing you to the client, otherwise to the other parties. Okay, so and the person making the introduction does not include your name. So if they didn't mention their name, what do you have to do? So in this case, what you have to do? You have to follow the first method. What you have to do? You have to tell yourself. Okay, you have to introduce yourself. You have to tell your name, then your designation, your post to the other parties. Okay, so through that way, so no need to wait for others to tell your name. So you have to, you have to, yourself you have to tell your name. Okay, then your designation, everything you have to tell. So that is a third point. Next one, you look at when you are not introduced. So when you are not introduced, so it is a example related to the general only, general point only. So you look at the example it is given. I was with a friend in a restaurant recently, and a couple of his friends stopped by the table to say hi. He talked to them for a few minutes, but never introduces me. So when I am not introduced to the people, I generally respond by introducing myself in the right opportunity presents itself. This seems to make everyone feel more comfortable. So if our friends are not telling about us, means what we have to do. So we have to tell our, if any opportunity comes, if they are asking, that time you have to tell your information. That is when you are not introduced. Okay. So everything we have to take which one initiative, that only. Next one, when you meet with a group of people, when you meet with a group of people you don't know. So in this case, what you have to do when you meet with a group of people you don't know. Suppose if you are working in a one branch of a SBA, so if any general meeting is there, so you have to go other stations, okay, out stations, other stations. So in this case, you don't know the opposite people, other people. What do you have to do in this area, in this time? So what do you have to do? You have to introduce yourself to each person in the room. So if they are living in the which one flat in any area, so your accommodation will be in that flat, means you have to meet each people in the room. That's only it is telling. So here means mention means you have to introduce yourself to each person in the that in the meeting, in the group. No need to wait for others to talk. Okay, that is when you meet with a group of people you don't know. So in this case, what do you have to do? You have to introduce yourself, okay, to each person in the room. So it will create interest for the other parties. Okay, they will feel more at easy to talk with you. Okay, they will feel more confidence to talk with you. Okay, so within 5 minutes, they will get a good impression about you. That is when you meet. It is not only talking with in a banking environment, generally also you have to follow this. Okay. Next one, when you meet with a group of people you do know, so you know that people. So what do you have to do? So when you greet with a group of people, you know that we have to do. You have to greet. You have to greet each person with a friendly greeting. So first you have to. So you have to take initiative to greet each person. Okay. How are you? So like that feeling, so you have to express your greeting. Okay, it is very nice to see you. That so that first you have to greet each person with a friendly greeting. Suppose as a new people join that group, in that group any new people is joined there, so what you have to do? So here also you will be the first one. You have to which one, introduce yourself, okay, to others. You have to greet others. Okay, that is when you meet with a people, group of people you don't know. Okay, if you don't know means you have to introduce yourself to each person in that people in that group. Okay, if you don't, if you know means first you greet each person. Okay, then in that group if any new people is there, so you should be the first person to introduce yourself to the others. Next one, it is very easy. Next, when you meet with a group of people, someone know and someone you don't know. Okay, so in this case, what we have to do? Greet the people I know and introduce myself to the people I have not yet met. Same point last. Okay, when you meet with the people, group of people, someone know and some you don't know means. So if you know the people means you have to greet. First you greet the people, you know. Then if you don't know that people means first you introduce yourself to the people and I have not yet met. That is that point. Okay, next one. So two more point is there. Next one, when you greet a receptionist, when you greet a receptionist, okay, suppose if you are a which one sales representative, So if you are going any institutions, so if you are meeting any receptionist, what do you have to do? You are, which one you have to introduce yourself with a smile and a friendly greeting. Okay, then if you have any appointment is there, you can tell that the receptionist, I have appointment with that sir at that time. Okay, so otherwise, if example, if it is a business meeting, means you have to give your which one business card to the receptionist. Okay, so that is when you greet a receptionist. Okay, so that is that point. Next, last, same only. So you have to do. So already we said no lot of point that you have to practice, practice, practice. It makes you perfect. Okay, if you follow the above tip, the above point, then you can easily create interest in the minds of customer and interest in the minds of the other parties, opposite parties. Okay, so these are the points. Okay, that you have to remember. Then one more point only remaining. So first, when you greet people in a person for the first time, so what you have to do? You have to make a first impression, positive impression. So first impression is the best impression. So if you meet any people, you can understand that whether that opposite party is good or not. If he talk with you, okay. So that to make a positive first impression. So we are telling that person is not good. Okay. So second one, when you meet people who don't tell your name, who don't tell you their names, if they are not telling their name, so you have to repeatedly ask their name. So then in between you have to mention their name. In between talking, you have to mention their name. So next one, when someone introduces you and does not include your name. So if anyone, when you are introduced to someone and the person, those who are making introduction, does not mention your name, so you have to tell your name. Okay, name, designation. Okay, so that you have to tell. Okay, because you have to take initiative. No need to wait for the others to make an introduction about you. Okay, then when you are not introduced means, so he said that if any opportunity comes, then in that time you have to do the first method. Okay, next one, when you meet a people, when you meet with a group of people you don't know, when you meet a group of people with you don't know, means in this case what you have to do, introduce yourself to each person in the meeting. Okay, so you have to take initiative. No need to wait for others. Okay, so no need to be shy. Okay, to meet to talk with the other persons, you have to introduce yourself to other persons. Okay, so next one, when you meet with a group of people you do know, so first what you have to do, you have to greet each person with a friendly greeting. So same 2 point together they said, when you meet with a group of people, someone know and someone you don't know, if you know the people, means you have to greet, you have to first greet the people, you know. Then otherwise if you don't know, means that you have to introduce yourself to the person I have not yet met. Next one, when you greet a receptionist, you have to introduce yourself with a smile and a friendly greeting. So if it is a business meeting, means so you have to give your business card. Okay, along with the verbal conversation, then you have to follow the same step. Next one, so how to greet a people that you know. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this you know that, no need to tell. Introducing people, what is your name, who are you, okay, haven't we met, okay, so have you met, so same answer also giving. Nice to meet you, pleased to meet you, how do you do, nice to see you, nice to see you again, goodbye, how to say goodbye, bye, I see you later, see you soon, see you tomorrow, see you next week, good night. Okay, health, for about health matter, how will which one greet, how are you today, okay, that is what is wrong with you, what is the matter with you, are you all right, okay, so then answer also giving. So last topic, some tactics that can help banks produce a more compelling customer experience. So now we know that modern marketing, it is a consumer oriented. It is a consumer oriented. Means now, in earlier, what is our objective? To sell our product in all ways. In whatever way we will do, so our main aim is to sell the product that all have already produced. Okay, sell the product that have already been produced. That is our objective. Now, but modern marketing is a customer oriented. Customer oriented means it involves selling of satisfaction rather than selling a product. Okay, means the main aim is to identify the needs and the wants of the customer and finding out the ways and means of satisfying them. That is our objective. Okay, so that is why modern marketing is customer oriented. Okay, means here marketing is concerned with the identification of the, in earlier means what is the meaning of marketing? Exchange of goods from the producer to the consumer. Okay, physical flow of the goods from the producer to the consumer. That is the which one called marketing. So there means what we are doing to make a sale, we are doing more advertising and sales promotion. So we are doing more advertising in the newspaper, television, okay, radio, okay. Through that way, so we are doing more advertisement and sales promotion, discount voucher, buy one get one free, premium offer. So that we are doing to make more sale. Okay, so through personal selling, so through that way we are making sale. But now it is what, now marketing is, it is concerned with the identification of the needs and wants of the customer and finding out the ways and the means of the means of satisfying them. That is the modern means of meaning of marketing. Okay, so first we will conduct the research to identify the needs and the wants of the customer. Then we will find the ways and the means. Okay, then we will produce the product according to their needs. That is the modern concept of marketing, customer oriented. Not here means which one, customer satisfaction is the main objective of the management, not the which one, not profit maximization. So in addition to profit maximization, their main aim is to customer, means customer satisfaction. We have to make a profit through customer satisfaction, not through selling a service, selling a product. Okay, so in earlier point is that which one, who have to be more careful in earlier, buyer beware, buyer beware. Here now, who is have to take more effort? The seller, the management, the people, the seller, trader have to give more, which one, take more effort. Okay, because their main objective is to get customer satisfaction. Okay, so that is the modern which one meaning of marketing. So so some techniques that helps the bank to produce more compelling customer experience. To get a good customer experience, some techniques are there. So these are the techniques. Customer is the king, already I said, making him feel like a one. We are depending on him and not otherwise. Okay, we are dependent on the customer. Customer is the king or queen of the business. Without the customer, the businessman can't survive. So customer satisfaction, if they are providing good customer satisfaction, then only the customer will come again and again to that shop. Okay, so if we are getting any negative experience from that which one, from that institution, then we won't go that institutions. So it will affect that institutions. Okay, so customer satisfaction, if you are going to any bank or any wholesaler or a retailer shop, so if you get a customer satisfaction, then we will go again and again to that shop. Okay, so without the customer, they can't survive. Next, be polite and warm while speaking to the customers. Then listen to the customer complaints and queries. If they have any complaint, any thing is there that you have to solve. Okay, so otherwise, if example, if we are not solving their complaint, means they can approach district forum according to Consumer Protection Act 1986. they can approach a district forum. If they are not getting a good solution from district forum, they can approach a state commission. Then if they are not getting any good solution from that state commission, they can approach national commission. Then if they are not getting any good solution from national commission, then they can approach which one, Supreme Court. Okay, so for dealing the consumer complaint, there will be separate court, not like a civil court, separate court. Okay, district forum is separate court only, not like which one, normal court for which one, for the redressal of customer complaint. Okay, so that is we have to do. We have to listen. So if we got any inferior product or which one, any product defective product, means you can refund that product to the seller. If they are not returning, means in this case we can file a case, which one, against that trader. Okay, trader and the manufacturer, we can file a case. Okay, next, provide a solution to meet customer requirements, same point. Then explain in detail any form filling to be done and ensure the customer has understood the requirement. Suppose if any customer want to open the bank account. Okay, the customer want to open the bank account, so you have to tell all the information. If they don't know which one, how to fill the form, so you have to help which one, the customer. Okay, then you have to ensure the customer satisfactions. Okay, so that you have to do. So next one, meet the customer's expectation and strive to do better than that. That do what you promise. Okay, so what you promise, that you have to fulfill by serving the customer. Then strive to add a wow experience while serving them. So they have to tell, after getting good service, they have to tell wow, that experience you have to ensure. Next one, do what you say and promise. Okay, so what you are telling to the customer, that you have to ensure. Okay, that you have to do. Next, thank your customer for providing opportunity to serve the server. Okay, so they because the staff got the opportunity to serve the customer, so you have to thank you, thank you for the customer for opportunity to serve them. So these are the point you have to remember for getting customer satisfaction. Okay, because customer is the backbone of our business. Okay, it is the king. So without the customer, we can't survive. So we have to go out of the market. If we are not serving the customer, means we have to go out of the market. Okay, so customer satisfaction is the most important. So that's why according to the customer requirements, which one, the companies are producing a variety of products, small packs, large packs, on the base of the each customer, which one, rich, middle class, lower class people. So that's why they are producing the variety of product, different lines of the product according to the requirements of the customer. Because if they are not satisfying, means they have to go out of the market. So majority of the companies, they are going out of the market because they can't satisfy the customer requirements. They are not updating the technology, they are not conducting the research to find out the needs and the wants of the customer. Clear? So Sharat, here. So our topic is over. Banking is over. Clear? So in that we studied communication, then types of communication, features of communication, exchange of ideas, information, opinions, information and understanding between two or more persons. Then features, two or more persons, continuous process, two-way process, pervasive function, flows in all directions, influencing human behavior. Then we studied types of communication, verbal, non-verbal, then written communication also there, written. Okay, written communication. The next, which one? Internal and external communication within the organization and within the outside the organization. Next, steps, elements of the communication process, or steps in the process of communication, sender, message, encoding media or channel, decoding receiver feedback. Next, fundamentals, clear, correct, complete, concrete, concise, consideration, courteous. Then barriers to communication, semantic barriers, okay, related to encoding and decoding. Badly expressed message, symbols different meaning with different meaning, faulty translation, unclarified assumption, technically jargon, badly expressed body language and just decoding. Next, psychological barrier, emotional and psychological factor, premature evaluation, lack of attention, loss by transmission and poor retention. Next, last, distrust. Next, organizational barrier, because of chain of authorities, scalar chain. Organizational policy, rules and regulation, status, complexity in organizational structure, and organizational facilities. Next, personal barriers, fear of challenge to authority, lack of confidence of superior on subordinates, unwillingness to communicate, lack of proper incentives. Next, we studied improving communication effectiveness, clarify the ideas before communication, communicate according to the needs of the receiver, consult others before communicating, beware of languages, tone, and content of messages, ensure proper feedback, communicate for present as well as future, be a good listener, follow up communication. Next, introduction and greeting of workplace. So in that we studied which one? Telephone etiquette, etiquette at workplace, uniform, the business introduction, then greeting somebody, then grooming, personal grooming, organizational grooming, framing of question and complete the answer, then dealing with the customers in banking environment, and the last, techniques that help the which one staff to make a good more compelling customer experience. Okay, so now my time is over.